In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find out what version of Google Chrome you have. Knowing the version of your browser is crucial for troubleshooting and ensuring that you have the latest security updates and features. Today, I'll guide you through this simple process step by step. First things first, you want to open your Google Chrome browser. Once you have it open, take a look at the top right corner of the window. There, you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots. This is often referred to as the More icon. Go ahead and click on it. You'll see a drop-down menu open up, which provides a variety of options related to your Chrome preferences and settings. Now, in this drop-down menu, I want you to hover your mouse over the option labeled Help. As you do this, a submenu will appear. One of the selections in this submenu is About Google Chrome. Go ahead and click on that option. This is the key step that will direct you to the page where all the information you need is located. Once you click About Google Chrome, you'll be taken to a new page. Right near the top of this page, you'll see your current Google Chrome version number. It's displayed prominently, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. But there's more on this page than just the version number. This page will also handle checking for any updates that may be available for your browser. If there are updates, they will automatically start downloading and installing right then and there. It's a very streamlined process, ensuring that your Google Chrome browser is always up to date without much effort on your part. Just to recap, remember to click on the 3 vertical dots, navigate through the Help submenu, and select About Google Chrome. Once you're on the About page, your version number is right there at the top, and any necessary updates will automatically be taken care of. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Keeping your browser up to date is essential not just for accessing the latest features, but also for maintaining the security of your browsing experience. So now that you know how to find your Chrome version, feel free to check it from time to time or whenever you're troubleshooting any issues. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tips like this.